Hello everyone. Today I want to talk to y'all about a family that we are helping. We are going to close on their property next week. We've been working with them for the past few weeks. One of the very first things that we noticed whenever we went to this property is that it definitely needed some maintenance. Washing the house and taking away all of the mold that we saw on the exterior, cleaning up some of the gardens that were first there, a couple years ago. But anyway, that's our first concern is the house, the structure, and making sure we protect it, regardless of whether or not we're going to buy it. Second thing, upon entering the house and meeting the homeowners, we have found out that they had talked to multiple other investors before, but only focused on an offer versus focusing on all of their problems. For their specific scenario, they needed help with their credit. That credit is not going to be good enough to get a rental. Luckily, for any homeowners that we help out, we are able to help them with the rental process regardless of whether they have bad credit, regardless of whether they have any funds saved. And that was definitely the case with our family that we're working with. So we definitely can help out with the future and not just the current situation. Next thing that we're doing is helping them with all of the negotiations. It's not our first rodeo talking to property managers, talking to realtors, talking to landlords. It's a language that we're used to speaking. So we do all of that for them. Our family that we're working with is shy. They want to talk to us, but they pretty much don't want to talk to anybody else. And I understand that. My parents are that way. So if any of you guys out there might be the same way, hey, let us talk for you. We'll be happy to communicate. Even when it comes to the bank, sometimes they're not easy to deal with. We are doing all the communication with the bank. At first, the bank was intimidating for our family, pushy, inconsiderate. So many different things we could call it. However, once again, we are used to this language, and we are able to make the bank play nice with us, and in turn, we are helping the bank too. So we're helping them get that loan paid off. In some cases, maybe in your case, we'll help reinstate the loan. There's a lot of factors that we have to look at in the house structure and all of that. And so next things that we're helping them out with is organization. If you can imagine 45 years of living in a house, there is a lot of stuff that comes with 45 years. I personally will be helping out with the organization of all this stuff. That's exciting. I've always been an organizer. So I'm going to get my hands in there and I'm going to help organize. We're going to help get them into a new place, help organize that place as well. Make sure that they get a new beginning, a new life, start fresh, start clean. That's why I named our company Clean Slate Homes. So if there's any way that we can help you guys, please give us a call, email us, call us. No obligation, right? Just let us help you. Let us give some advice, some free advice on what we would do, what I would do, what I would tell my own family to do if I was in your position. So thank you for listening.